Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juna. Welcome to my channel called Glam Hairstyles, where I make videos on hairstyles, beauty and DIYs. And obviously this video is about the DIY of this beautiful necklace, which is perfect for this Navratri festival. I hope you recreate this beautiful necklace for this Navratri. Without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Before starting the video, let me unbox these Meesho packages. These are the raw materials that I ordered for the making of this necklace. The first package was mirrors and the second package was these embroidery threads. Both packages are in good condition. I'm gonna draw a long rectangle with 50 centimeters length and 2 centimeters width. Please ignore this line. Within the rectangle, we are gonna draw a line for every 2 centimeters. I'm going to apply 4 small sized mirrors in that box. Repeat this in all boxes. This is how it looks after applying the mirrors. Now we are gonna take embroidery thread in the middle of the mirror and stitch the embroidery thread on the mirror like I'm showing in the video. We're gonna repeat the same with all the mirrors that I've applied in the square shape. This must be looking so tough, but trust me, this is very easy and also very relaxing. If the thread is finished, then you can tie a knot and start with the new thread. We are done with the stitching. Now as you can see, we have some gaps in the middle of the mirrors, which we are gonna fill it with the small pearls, which also adds beauty to our necklace, because black and white looks always classic. As we are done with attaching pearls, now we are gonna add pearled tassels. For the beaded tassel, we are gonna add 3 golden beads and 3 black beads, 2 small pearls and 1 bigger pearl, and then golden bead. By leaving the golden bead, we are gonna take the needle through the beads again and pull all the beads together. Then take your needle through the fabric. Keep adding these beaded tassels all the way through the necklace. After we are done adding the fringes, we are going to cut the fabric. By leaving the excess fabric, we can stitch the excess fabric in the back side of the necklace. We are going to cut the corners and apply some glue in the back side of the necklace and stick the excess fabric. We are going to take the measurement of this necklace and cut the buckram paper and attach it to the fabric. And then we are gonna apply this buckram paper to the necklace. This is to give the necklace the stiffness. And that's it. To tie the necklace, we are gonna stitch the thread to the necklace. For the thread, we are gonna take 4 strands of embroidery thread. Twist that 4 strands of the thread. Make the twisted thread into a half. And that's it. Our twisted rope is ready. We are going to add a tassel in the end of the rope. We are gonna make our own tassel. Wrap the embroidery thread on the small book or anything that is available to you. Remove the wrapped thread and fold it into half. And then tie the tassel with the thread. And then tie a knot. Cut the folded threads and also cut the tassel evenly. Take the thread through the needle and we're gonna take this needle through the tassel and tie it properly with the twisted rope we have prepared. And that's it. Our rope with our tassel is ready. Now we are gonna attach this rope on both sides of our necklace. And voila, our necklace is ready.